Women outlives men in almost every society. In the developed countries, the average life expectancy for women is 79 years and 72 years for men at birth. In less developed countries, it is 66 years for women and 63 years for men. Only a few countries in Asia like Afghanistan, Nepal, and Papua New Guinea, and some countries in South Africa like Namibia and Zimbabwe, men outlived women. In Russia, women outlived men by about 13 years on an average. For a broader picture, let's have a look at the map. In this map, the darker the color, bigger the gender gap in life expectancy. If the color is light yellowish, then men outlived women in those areas. In this map, you almost never see a light yellowish color. If we go to around 1950-ish, we get to see some light yellowish color here. Then, when we move towards the more recent years, always women outlived men in all over the world. This is not only true in humans, but also in other mammals. What are the reasons? There are multiple possible reasons, and there are multiple possible solutions as well to mitigate this gender gap in life expectancy. Some reasons are habitual and some reasons are biological. Let's get to it one by one. One reason might be women is often more conscious about their health than men. Visits doctors earlier and more often, eat healthier, and drinks and smokes less than men on an average. Another very shocking reason can be suicide. Suicide is more common in men than women. Suicide rates per 100,000 people is 5.5 in women and 22 in men as per 2021 data. Such a large gap, right? Genetic component is another possible reason for this gender gap in life expectancy as well. Let's see how. The XX chromosome in women helps women with better immune response. Important genetic information in one X chromosome can be duplicated in another X chromosome that can compensate for possible gene mutations and defects on the other X chromosome. Though not all the double X chromosomes are duplicates of each other, but overall it is an added advantage for a woman. On the other hand, in men, there is one X chromosome and one Y chromosome, so there is no backup for genetic information in another chromosome. That can be a possible factor for men being more susceptible to infections and other diseases. Men were more affected in terms of the number of cases and deaths in COVID-19 as well. The sex hormone in men, testosterone, has been linked with more risk-taking attitude in men, and one contributing factor of increased number of cardiovascular disease in men. On the other hand, the sex hormone in women, estrogen, is like an antioxidant and help fight cardiovascular disease. These are the possible contributing factors for gender gap in life expectancy. Is there any solution? Studies have shown that gender gap in life expectancy is smaller in the wealthier and more educated people. So maybe the quality of life, healthcare access, food habit, exercise, and other advantages in life brings equality in life expectancy between men and women. Sounds pretty simple, right? If you like this video, please subscribe to stay tuned. Thank you so much.